How to fix comments not showing on TikTok. Comments missing on your videos or others. Here's how to fix that on TikTok now. Start by checking your internet connection. Switch from Wi-Fi to mobile data or vice versa. Next, open TikTok and go to settings and privacy there. Then scroll down to comment settings. Make sure comments are enabled for everyone or friends. If it's already on, clear TikTok's cache. Tap free up space in the settings and clear the cache. Restart the app. Also, check if the account or video you are trying to comment on has comment restrictions. If you are seeing zero comments everywhere, TikTok servers might be down temporarily. Using flagged words or emojis repeatedly, TikTok may silently hide your comments. Switch up your wording. Can you see your own comment on others' posts? Let me know in the comments below. Now your comments should be back and visible. Comment freely and engage more. And if this video helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.